Hi, my name is Sifiso Sitebe and I am with my software development team here. On my right hand side it's Mr. Johannes and on my left hand side it's Mr. Bilal. Take it over, sir.
Our project is called Windondo Means Classes. Basically, it's a system that protects intellectual property by allowing the content owners to register, upload the content and fingerprint it, and so that the ISPN server can decide whether the user can access the file or not.
We have created a prototype. The prototype, it works with images and content, especially corporate. You find that a corporate doesn't want to share its information outside the company. So our system does this. It can able to filter the content, verify the content, if the content has the permission to go out of the corporate or not. For example, if an employee try to email some documents outside the company and then the system filter the documents, then find that on the attachment is prohibited to go out to exit from the corporate. It actually deletes the whole attachment from the email. Thank you.
Okay, as for the cost, the system is going to cost us, we have done some estimation, and the salary per month is going to cost us 15,000, and then the test server is going to cost us 60,000, and as for the product infrastructure, it is going to cost us 40,000. And then the duration for our system, we are going to complete it in 6 months time. We just want to say thank you for the time.